All right, so here's a look at this artificial plant that we just got set up. You can see that it's got some lights on here, and these lights, you don't have to necessarily put them on there. They will be separated, and they're gonna come and connect down to this battery pack. So you'll just need 3 AA batteries, and you can basically just hide this down here in the moss. And they also will give you an extra bag of moss right here. So if you wanted to add a little bit more on the top of here, or if you wanna kind of spread it out over the plant, you can. Now, the pieces that it's going to come with is you're going to see these longer pieces like this, which are just going to be the branches. And then you've got these pieces, which are going to be your leaves. So they basically just attach into each other nice and easily, just like that. And you can see they're hidden by these yellow browning type leaves that go over the middle, just so that it doesn't look awkward like this one does. Now this is an extender piece which will get covered up, but I kind of wanted to just keep 2 of the pieces out so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. It's also going to have a base right here, which you can see this is going to be the pot, and it's going to be a nice matte black. Now if you wanted a different pot, you can obviously just take this and put it into another pot. So that's great as well. It's nice and narrow, and you can see the height here. So the way that you set this up kind of depends on how you want it to look. So we went with more of like a vertical, taller look. So we put a couple of these pieces together that way that they would kind of extend up, and you can see this is quite tall here, and I like the way that this looks. Now you don't have to use all these pieces. You could make it shorter, which would look a little bit more like a bush or like a shorter tree plant type thing, but I think that the taller look looks nice, especially we've got some smaller ones up here in the front and then taller ones up in the back, and it kind of just gives like a cascading look to it. But yeah, all of these will just attach down here at the bottom, and these are going to be the pieces. So I'll pull this one out here so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. That's what it's going to look like when you first get it. It's just going to be these pieces, and then you would take your tree leaves plus your branches and kind of just stick them down in there just like that, nice and easy. Okay, let me give you a real close-up look so you can see what the actual leaves look like. I feel like they're pretty high quality, and they don't look too artificial like some of the other plants that I've tried on Amazon. I like the way that these look, especially outside. We've got it inside right now, and you can put this outside, but just be careful. If it does rain, you know, your battery pack might get a little bit wet, so you might want to cover that up. Otherwise, I would say that this could be used for indoor or for outdoor. And it just makes life so much easier when you've got artificial plants over real plants. Now, of course, the real plants are usually going to look better, but there's a lot more upkeep. And if you can get something that looks like this, that is high quality and just looks realistic, then I would say just go with the artificial. It makes life easy. Set it up once and you're pretty much done. So if you're looking for a really good artificial plant inside or outside of your house, something that looks like this, I would definitely recommend picking this one up.